All right, hey YouTube. So today I will be doing an unboxing of this shoes that I got from Yanko. Actually, technically I got them from Skolix. So Skolix is a distributor of Yanko. So kind of a brief history about Yanko. They kind of have their heritage goes back towards the and please forgive me if I mispronounce this. It's the Albaladejo family, which they're famous for, establishing Carmina and Mermin. They kind of have their heritage. Yanko has their heritage with the Albaladejo family as well. So, at a certain point, they were producing, over 1 million shoes a year, and but in the 90s, when the demand for shoes for luxury shoes kind of went down, they went out of business. They ended up selling the business. So nowadays they're no longer associated with the Albaladejo family, but they still produce shoes made in Spain. And nowadays you find a lot of distributors carrying Yanko shoes. This I actually ordered from Skolix. So this is actually the second time I'm ordering a pair of Yanko shoes from Skolix. And usually you can find them around under $300 for sure. Sometimes you can find them under $200 depending on if there are discounts or if your size is not common, I guess. So but more on that later. Without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. So I ordered 2 pairs. I'll talk more about Yanko. All right, I'm excited about this. Let's just see the packaging that it comes in. So the packaging, first of all, it's just a standard box. You can see the logo on top, and here it tells you the size. So I ordered the shoes for my brother. So a bit about the sizing. It runs, I think it corresponds to UK sizing, so it runs large because here I'm in the US. So usually I wear size 11s US, so I ordered size 10 in UK for Yanko, and I'm about to find out how it fits. So I had actually ordered a pair of shoes because my dad wears a size 9, so I ordered a pair of shoes from Skolix, or Yanko shoes from Skolix, and he actually liked the shoes and it fit him okay. It was a pair of double monk straps. So I was impressed with the shoes, and for the price, I was kind of happy with it, and I decided to get a pair for myself. And then I got a Christmas present for my brother as well. So yeah, this shoe addiction is making me go broke. But anyways, it comes in one what do you call it, one shoe bag. I don't know how this feels. It feels like a what do you call it, I don't know, it's just cloth. I don't think it feels fancy like a merino wool. Anyways, let's put this aside for now. Yeah, this is a wow. I'm impressed with the shoes. Excuse me. This is great. This is great. This is a Wingtips. Pair of Wingtips. And there's nothing else in the box. Okay. So wow, I'm really impressed. So Yanko shoes are Goodyear welted shoes. I am really happy with this buy. These shoes just look gorgeous. I love the elongated silhouette. It has that kind of Italian design, but obviously this is made in Spain, as you can see. Yanko size 11, made in Spain. I don't know if this camera focuses really well, but the shoes are Goodyear welted. It looks like blind stitching because you can't really see anything here. Wow, I am just really impressed with the level of craftsmanship here. And so usually these shoes cost just over $200, because usually I use a PayPal and they do like a conversion from the US to the Swedish currency. I forget what it was, but depending on what the conversion rate is on that day, the price could vary. But usually it's just over 200. Like you could find it for between $210 to $230. But I really got a good discount on this because of the Black Friday deals, and I think I paid 160 or something like that for each pair of shoes. And I have to say I'm really impressed. I think this is definitely worth it, because you compare it to shoes that you can get at that price range, and this is definitely a good buy. And I think my brother would love the shoes. Being that it's a wingtip, you know, you can dress it up and dress it down. You can basically, because of the brogan, you can kind of dress it up casually. You know, because the more brogues that you have on the shoes, the more casual it is. And yeah, at the same time, you know, you can kind of dress it up. You can wear this with a suit pretty well as well. So I really like this shoe. I'm a big fan of the brogan. Now I'm not an expert in the shoe. I'm not a shoe connoisseur, so I don't know what the fine details are in regards to shoe construction. But I have to say, like, this is just a great shoe. Like, I mean, I don't have a very, you know, I don't have an exquisitely trained eye, but this is a great shoe. And then, like, here you can see the Goodyear welt design. The stitching is there. And the other thing I'm impressed with in regards to Yanko is how they are able to have this sleek silhouette despite the fact that it's Goodyear welted, because you associate, you know, a sleek silhouette with a Blake stitch construction. And you know, the fact that the shoes are this slick and Goodyear welted shows that they know how to make shoes. Like, they really know how to make shoes. So, but anyways, before I digress and talk anymore, and this video gets too long, let me open the second pair, which are mine. It shouldn't take long. Same unboxing, you know, talks about the size. Let's same bag, shoe bag, and as you can see, I wear a size 10, and it tells you I don't know what that is, but that's what the box comes with. And I got myself a brogue as well, but this is a all right, let me see, let me centralize this. All right, this is a darker brown. I like this, so I needed to get a dark brown. I think, yeah. Oh, lost my audio for a bit. So yeah, this design is called the Austerity Brogue. So yeah, as you can see, it's different from this. Actually, let me get the second pair. So it's different from this in the sense that it's like, this is more of a dressy approach, and this is like the brogues, you can actually see the perforations. So this would be more dressy than this because of the less the low profile of the brogan. And it's kind of the other thing is, it's kind of hard to find an austerity brogue in this price range, you know, the just above $200 price range, because a lot of shoe designers, for some reason I cannot find it, they don't do austerity brogues in this price range. And so it's kind of great that I was able to find a shoe company that was able to do this, because I needed a dark brown shoes that I could wear to the office. I have a lot of boots, but I don't have any like pair of dress shoes that I could wear to conferences or to like anything like that, to the office. So this is a great buy for me. But yeah, you can see the two different types of brogan side by side. And this is also a Goodyear welt shoes. For the most part, all Yanko shoes are Goodyear welted shoes. And yeah, you can see the evidence here in terms of the stitching. Just exquisite, like great craftsmanship, especially at this price range. It's really impressive. Goodyear welted, and you know, you can't see the stitching here, so that's another plus. Similar to how they do the mermaid shoes, where they do the Goodyear welt and then they put the leather on top of it. But yeah, exquisite shoe. What can I say? I can't complain. I'm definitely happy with both of these buys, and I will do the field testing and do a follow-up on the shoes. And that's that. Thanks for watching, and you'll have an awesome day. If you like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, let me know if there's anything I can improve on. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.